Hello everyone. Today let's understand the explosive triangle of Iran, Israel and US. So it all started in 1979 when Iran's US-backed Shah regime was overthrown by Ayatollah Khomeini and Iran became an Islamic republic. After that, it turned anti-Israeli and anti-American. But instead of direct warfare, Iran was involved in much more proxy warfare. For example, supporting Hezbollah in Lebanon, Houthis in Yemen, and Hamas in Gaza. These all were mostly funded by Iran Revolutionary Guard, whose major objective was to hurt America's interest and the Israelis' interest directly or indirectly. Then we have seen that Iran has started enriching uranium. Today, it is at its 60% purity. And you know what? 90% is needed for making a bomb. That is why it is also considered by Israel its existential crisis, as they think if Iran is able to make a nuclear bomb, then it could become a threat for their existence. But in 2015, a major achievement was done. A nuclear deal was signed between Iran and US under the presidency of Barack Obama. The major aim of that deal was to freeze Iran nuclear program in return of the relief of the sanctions which was applied by US on Iran. But in 2018, a leader came whose name was Donald Trump, and he pulled out US of that deal. As expected, again happened, Iran continued its nuclear program. Now let's come back to 2025. We have seen that US has attacked 3 nuclear sites in Iran. And in return, Iran has also attacked on a military base of US in Qatar. Again, if I have to summarize in just 3 lines, Iran want power and nuclear leverage, Israel want to survive, and US want to contain Iran without World War III.